outside and watch the sunrise. One night it changed your whole life. Pop top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em.
Hi, I'm Ratchet, and I'm so cute and cuddly, and I'm gonna take away all of Cat and Cork's product placements. Headbutt. Loser.
Somebody call my name.
Oh, look, it's Dr. Nerd Fairies.
That's right. You're just bitter because my evil plan has ruined your once awesome life.
Ratchet, we are clearly not prepared for this. We should have contacted the Rangers to warn them of the attack.
Yeah, like they'd know who we are.
But you said they were your friends.
What? I think you're quoting me out of context.
Bruh.
See? He's got it. Sort of. Wow, dude.
How am I doing? Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for
Lodge a complaint with Star Command.
It was not a complaint.
Lodge a complaint with Star Command.
Ready, pal?
Always.
Hey, you coming?
No!
So I would encourage you to use a phrase, any phrase other than target acquired.
Buzz-looking alien! Where?
Okay, I am not a target, so you can say something else like hello or how are you or
Buzz-looking alien! Where?
this right here, Carnival of Pain. Yes, Captain, what can I do you for?
Greetings, citizen. Just returning from patrol.
Copy that. Deactivating shield grid 24A.
Buzz-looking alien! Where? I'm not supposed to be baby.
Hooray! We're gonna be mad. We're gonna be mad. Oh my gosh, Patrick, you have a mustache!
So do you.
Death by monkeys!
Come on.
What? That's not a choice!
My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the burn?
Are you kidding? I'm on fire!
Bravo! I deal with my share of morons on a daily basis, and
And I was like, warrior? No, I said I was a worrier. I worry about everything. Oh, hey!
Cork? This is awkward.
Nothing. Unrelated question. Is your seatbelt on? How did you get a license? No vector shell damage. Sister board appears to be intact.
I must get to Alero City. They are in danger.
Whoa, who's in danger?
An army is coming. I must warn them.
Hang on, slow down. I've been in a crash.
Bring it on!
Okay!
Oh.
break and fall. No pain, no gain.
It's a beautiful night.